Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were fixing this. I got confused on how I will stretch this, but now I have an idea. We just need to edit the boundary right here. I'm planning that all my grass should be until here. So AL and then right there. So basically we're gonna edit those ones as well. And then here, edit this one, AL, I'm gonna delete that, delete this, we can delete that, AL, align it right here, and then TR, trim and extend right here. We can align it here as well so that everything is in a singular. So now we have something that looks like this. So now we need is we can actually add the sidewalk right here, but that doesn't look good. So we have a sidewalk should be right about at the top here. So now this will be the road. So I'm gonna make this one my road, and then I'm gonna use extrusion to create the sidewalk. At the same time, we need to add in a floor for that. So go to architecture, floor. I think floor number 6 is grass. We could put grass there, but instead I'm gonna duplicate this. Floor number 7, change this, and then I'm going to add in a concrete. I'll pull one down up like that, and then press OK, and then OK, and then I'm just gonna use this pick line to go around here. DR, trim and extend. And then now we just need to click finish and check it out in 3D. So we have those ones. We can put in some changes right here as well. We could actually add grass here, and then some boundary wall. Yeah, we could actually add in a boundary wall right here, but the thing is I don't like to impede this design, so I'm planning to just add in some bushes right here and a big tree, and then here the different kinds of flooring. And then now let's go to ground and then add in our model in place sidewalk. So generic model number 3, extrusion, and this will be a different paint. Duplicate this and then put this one as 12, apply, OK, and then now we could just add the design right here. In terms of how big it is, around 2000 is good. AL, and I want it to be on the corner, and here corner as well. And then from here, let's add in a fillet arc. Let's put this one as 133. Select that, 1300. So that's good. 1300 as well. Okay, and then here select this 1300 so that everything is quite right. And then here I want it to be extruded around, I think 100. Up is good. And then click finish. And then finish again. Let's look at it. So that looks about good. I like the look on there. We could move this one up if we want. Height from the level 100 so that it's at the same height as like that. So I'm fine with that as well. And then now we need to finalize our windows right here. This one I'm just going to add 3. Curtain grid. Three right there. Only 2 in the middle here. That one's good. Middle as well, and then that's good. So now we just need to click mullion, all grid 50 by 65. And then there you have it. That looks good. Go to south elevation to double check. And that looks nice. So before we finish up, what I want to do is go to first floor, tag rooms. So this is garage, this is living, this is kitchen. But as you can see, we cannot put more because those are not closed. So what you need to do is you need to click on room separator. So from wall to a wall, you can close off. So that now is closed. We can close this one as well. That's for the stairs. This is for the kitchen. This one is for the dining, and then this one is for the living or the family room. Now once you click here, you'll be able to select those ones individually now. And then let's add the stairs here. And then here, all caps, garage. This will be living area. This will be powder room, PR. This will be like laundry, backyard, kitchen. This is the stairs. We could put corridor. But we could actually just put this one as stairs as well. So we could just delete this. So for this room separator. So now everything will be stairs area. We don't need to put those ones anymore. So this is dining. This is family area. And then if we go to second floor, we just need to tag those again. This is the corridor. Here, bed. And here is the masters. Walk-in closet, washroom 1, 2, and then 3. Here we could just select room 1, Control C, washroom 2. This is ensuite. Walk-in closet. Masters. Bedroom. Corridor. I think it's only one R. I'm not sure. So I'm just corridor. I think it's 2 R's. So corridor. This is bedroom 1. Control A, Control C. Bedroom 2. And then bedroom 3. If you notice, everything is over and it's showing like that. What you can do is you can type in VG and then look for the room tags, so annotation. So room tags, and then click on the half toe and then apply. So now it's good. It's much better to see. And even here, so each view you need to do that. So here, room tag again. Select that. Check. Apply. OK. Now let's see our crop view. Now we could push this one right about here. The reason for that is we're preparing it for our sheets. And then after that, uncheck this one. Go to second floor again. uncheck both of this, or check both of those, and all of this. It will provide you with that. Pull it so that you can see the views properly, and then uncheck those, and then click apply. And then when you want to create, let's create our view first. So from our ground, I'm going to create a camera view looking right here. Okay, and that looks good. Change it up here, fine. And then graphic display, add in some shadows and the background gradient. Apply, okay, and then that looks good. After that, we're ready to add it. So what you have to do is you need to go to sheet, right click, new sheet. A0 is already included. If you want to load, you can go to the main, and we have different title blocks right here. So A0 is there, so I'm gonna add A0. From here, owner, ACD, project name, M4 house. This will be title or cover sheet, cover. And then here you'll be able to add the project number, drawn by ACD, checked by ACD. Issue date, today's date, whatever you want. After that, we could add in our 3D view right there. And then here, you need to go no title. So you can put it right there. Usually I like this one to be my starting view. So you could go to manage, and then starting view. I want it to be the 3D view, 3D view 1. So every time you open this, it will start right there. But let's go back to sheet. We have our first sheet. Now let's go to our second sheet, and then let's just keep on adding. Right click again. So we have first, second, and then elevation, 2 of them. If you have section, you can put another one if you want. And then here, you can double click here, and you can be able to put first floor right there. I'm gonna copy that, and then second floor. And then here, if you double click here, and if you're in the sheet, you can also click on that and edit it from here. Elevation. And then here as well, elevation. Now let's click on our first floor and go here and add it right about there. If you want to change the scale to 1:50, what you have to do is you need to go to your first floor, and then from your first floor, so sorry, this is not our first floor, that's our first floor ceiling plan. So now if you want to change this, you need to go here and 1:50. And then from there, go back to your first floor. And as you can see, it went bigger. And then if you want to move this, you can move it like that. Select that, and then you can move this. And then if you press escape, select this again, you can move it anywhere you want. So for now, let's put it right there. Again, let's go to our second floor. But before we put it, go to your second floor view, and then change this one to 1:50. After that, you'll be able to drag it. So go to your floor plan, drag it, and you'll be able to put it right there. Press escape multiple times, select this one, and then move this one right there. You're good. And then now, from your elevation, I think we have so many inactive views now, so you need to clean them up. So close inactive views. And then here, just keep on selecting our elevation. What you can do is you can change the scale, so that's good. Change it to fine, so everything appears. And then here, you can change the display graphics. So you can put gradient background to make it look nice. Keep on doing that. So on others, so change that, and then go to display graphics, background, gradient, and then OK. Again, enter our south elevation, change it to fine, and then here display, gradient, and then lastly our west, fine, and then go here, gradient. So here we're going to put east. So if you notice, it's too big. So you need to go back to east. And then now, same thing that we did before. Check all of them. After that, you fix it. Then uncheck, and then apply. Here, go back here as well. Press escape, and then select those. Now you can drag it, and then uncheck, and then apply. Here as well, press escape because your properties is still on the other. So here, grab it there, and grab it here, and then uncheck it. And then lastly, west, press escape first because that elevation is not yours. Under properties, grab it there, and then uncheck. Let's go back here. Now we need to fix here, so just select, and then select again here, and then use this. Go to north, select it to north, and add it there. Double click here on our sheet. We're going to add the south elevation and then our west elevation. Press escape multiple times, click on the view, and then grab it from there. Click on the view and then grab it from there so that you can fix the. And then here, click here, we forgot to do this, and then grab it from there. If you want to print all of them, you need to save it first, and then click on File, Export, or what you could do is select here, Print. What you need to do first is select combine, and then select here. Make sure combine is selected. Uncheck all views, but all the sheet, check all. And then here you can even save this full set. And then press OK, and then press OK. And then after that, it's going to print. It will ask you where to print it. You can just print it on your desktop. So here, it's asking me where to save it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. And let's open it. Sorry. Let's double click it. And then here, we have our printout. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.